How are you? Good? Kamusta?
It's okay, it's okay.
Thank you. City of Ordinata, 1858. This is 168 market, right, sir? Right, so I'm here right now in 168, building 1A, and I'm here right now, Blue Edge. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So right now I'm standing in front of 168. That's the building in Ordinata. So this is the market. Mostly you can find a lot of things over here. Like in the front, you can find there are mostly cell phone repairing shops and so on. And inside there is, I believe, the supermarket over there. There are salons, there are money grams, and all kind of. It's actually a market, main market over here. So this is in the main hub of main center of Ordinata city in Philippines, in Pangasinan. So this is, I believe, they have plenty of stuff here, and behind this, if you will go over there, there is a magic mall. So it's a main city actually, so it's nice and lovely and steady. So just have a look, we will go inside. There are actually over here different kind of shops. Hi brother, how are you? This is also, they have also. Yes, my friend. You wanna subscribe? Alright, just give it to me, I will check it.
No, I haven't subscribed you.
Thank you, sir.
Where are you from, sir?
From Pakistan, but I'm from Dubai. So this gentleman is right now in front of me. What's your good name? Larry. So Larry says that he subscribe my channel. So I am very thankful to this guy. So he's what's your shop? Yeah. So he's iFix Fast repair and online download format. So this guy Lawrence, right?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. So I would like to also advertise in my channel. So whatever the things, if you are having problem with the cell phone, laptops, any software issue, so he's the right person over here, and they are available in 168 here in Ordinata.
Yes.
So Lawrence, wish you all the best. Thank you, take care, God bless you. Hi madam, Kamusta, how are you? Good? No, thank you so much, God bless you. Photo frames here. So as you can see that they have also photo frames over here. Hi, how are you? Good? Hi ma'am, how are you? It's good. How's the business? Inshallah, God will help us, everybody, okay? Inshallah. Ah, mashallah, you know Arabic? So where have you been?
Israel, I visit.
Where?
Israel,
Ah, Israel. Wow. So how long you have been there?
8 years.
Wow, mashallah.
What year?
What year? Yes.
2006 to
2006 to
2015.
2015. Yes, quite long time. So
What country you from?
I am originally from Pakistan, but I am based in Dubai. So almost like 19 years.
So you stay here in Philippines?
Yes, just like 6 months so far, because of the COVID situation. You know that all over the world, everybody is affected. So unfortunately, what to do? This is the life. Inshallah. Okay, good to see you. Thank you. Take care. So they are here in 168 in North Daneta, that mall, and these guys and this gentleman, they used to do this kind of framings. Thank you. Take care. God bless you. So they are tellers here. Namaste.
Okay.
Good. Hello, sir. So I'm just randomly over here. So they're also here, and paintings, advertising printings also they used to do it. Mostly we have salons. Hello, sir. Hello, hi. Mostly I see there are plenty of salons over here, right?
Yeah.
So how are you? Good?
I'm good.
That's good, fantastic. Good to know. Hello, ma'am. Good. Hello, ma'am. Kamusta? Namaste. No, Aiwa. That's good, fantastic. So what you are doing?
Manicure.
Ah, manicure. All right.
Come on.
Hello, ma'am.
Are you a blogger?
Yes, I am. Do you have a doubt?
Yeah.
Why?
But later on, because I'm busy.
Good luck. Thank you,
What is your
ma'am.
name?
Daily life stuff.
What?
Daily life stuff.
Okay. I'll search.
Yes, you will find it. All right. Thank you, sir. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hi.
Ito para ka ng eyeliner.
So mostly framing salons, this mix up all. This is Raymond. So just subscribe my channel. So they are in 168 in North Daneta. So how you will pronounce Renat? Moya frame shops. Okay, so if you are looking for photo frame shops for yourself or for your project, so this is I'm going to recommend this shop. So what's your name?
Alubi.
Arobi. Yes, nice name.
Here's my shop.
Ah, this is your shop.
What's your blog here? The YouTube?
Yes, you do.
What name?
Daily livestock. Just give it to me. I will just put it if you don't like it.
Nag-vlog daw siya. Eh, naka-video ako. Video anak ko eh. Badala yung video.
You know, I'm just my.
Hey, Chumi, babe. What?
I'm representing. You know, this is me.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
What?
This is So this is a salon over here. So there, I am actually based in Dubai, Emirates, but I am from Pakistan. Yes, I know Arabic, but I'm not Arabic. But because of I live in Emirates, so I can speak Arabic. Walaikum assalam. Kaif al-hal? Shafwarak. Alhamdulillah.
This is now I show.
Yeah, sorry.
This is now only.
Yeah, just you can do it. This subscribe. Yeah. This is my yesterday video. So if you want to go through all my videos, so this is all the videos.
Ah, okay.
Well, I hope you will like it.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, you're not Muslim?
I am Muslim.
Oh, I'm Muslim too.
Ah, mashallah. Nice to meet you, sister. Yeah, mashallah.
I'm working on this Jordan and
Ah, mashallah, mashallah. That's good. Yeah, good to know, mashallah. Ah,
Sagira.
ah, mashallah. That's good. Ah, mashallah. May I know your good name, sister? Babi, mashallah. Nice name. God bless you, inshallah. So, Muslim. So, mashallah. So you are a money changer here, right?
Yes.
Ah, mashallah. Since how long you are here? How many years?
3 years.
Ah, 3 years, mashallah. That's good. Wonderful.
Since I come back from Oman, then I came back to Philippines. Then I went here.
MashaAllah, inshallah. So how's it going? Is good?
Yeah, fine. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Thank you, sister. Nice. God bless you, inshallah. All right. Thank you. So I'm here back. Let's see, find out what happened to the tab. Yes, sir. Any know your good name, sir? Your name, good name? Marin Cruz. So he's there. So he's good guy. He seems to be like professional. He's a very reliable guy and he knows all his work. So Alhamdulillah, I am here with him. So, but overall, generally, I cannot go through all this market right now. Just I'm tried a bit detail, so I'm sitting over here. So just I will show it to you. This one is the shop. So Blue Edge repairing, cell phone, laptop, tablet, desktop, and other gadgets repairing and services. There are. So this is another end of 168. It's a big, actually it's small. They have a lot of stuff over here. Hi brother. Hi, how are you? Thank you, sir. How are you? Good? ¿Cómo está? Yes, no, sir.
Good.
Yes, I'm good. How about you? Good?
Good.
They have like plenty of different types of price. They have feed for the animal, that. Hello. How are you? Good? ¿Cómo está?
It's okay, it's okay.
Thank you.